We have met this evening as opposition leaders. We are united in our position that the government cannot contrive to have government TDs designated as members of the opposition. We believe that the government has demonstrated incredible arrogance. They believe clearly that they could come into the Dáil and ride roughshod over the collective opposition. That cannot be the case. They talk a lot about democracy and valuing it, and we share that. We want this place. The people that we represent need this place to work. But for it to work, there has to be a clear understanding of the roles of government and opposition, respectively. The government have known that their attempt to have members that support their government who have been party to the programme for government led by Deputy Michael Lowry, to have them designated as members of the opposition was unacceptable and frankly farcical. This matter can be resolved actually very, very easily. It simply requires honesty and integrity from the government, and to make clear that those who support the programme for government, those that support the government, are not opposition TDs. We are all returned here in our respective groups and parties to represent people to the best of our ability, and our first job is to hold the government to account. For that to be a reality, there has to be a respect for and recognition of the role of opposition.